Hello! So, the holidays have come and gone. We didn't really do anything for Christmas besides stay at home and open up a bunch of gifts. And New Year's was pretty much, quiet for us. We stayed at home and had some food and stuff like that. We didn't really go anywhere. I had to work, unfortunately. But yeah, we want to go ahead and take you through here, show you guys what we did, as well as make some announcement for 2021. So we're going to start off first with Christmas. So be mindful. We let the day get behind us. We woke up late. We started opening up gifts late. Gifts took almost about an hour and a half. With us not seeing family, everything was shipped to us or dropped off on our porch by family members or shipped in by Amazon. And a lot of gifts. So hope you guys enjoy this nice little time lapse of us opening up our presents.
Look.
Wow.
Santa came. Look at all those presents. I love your hair right now. Do you want to open some presents? Okay, let's do that. Rip it.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So gentle. I love you. Pull it, pull. Oh, good job.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no. Good job. What is it?
Yeah.
Oh no. I can't get it off.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? Is it Play-Doh?
Play-Doh.
Damn it.
Because there's another present.
This is also for me, you, and Mommy.
Wow. Can you rip it open? This might take us 100 years today.
There's another one for
We're zooming with our family, and Oliver is taking very long to open things because he's so gentle. Oh, what's in there? It's a chocolate egg. Do you want Mama to open it?
Yeah, open it.
What do we say? We say, open.
Open.
Yay! Now you eat it. What do you think? Ooh, it's chocolate. Oh yeah, you're unsure about it still, but whoa. Uh-oh, that's okay. What do you think? We're gonna play with all the toys because we have a whole bunch of things now. Oh my gosh. And then we still have quite a few left to open. What is it, Oliver? What is it? Is it a train? What sounds do train make? They go choo choo. Who's on it? Do you see Goofy? Do you see Mickey? Wow. Okay, you want to open that right away, huh?
We're gonna install it in your room, Oliver, because you got no room out here.
Yeah, we're gonna go do it in your room in just a second, okay, Bubba? You so love it. Ooh, your train is so cool, Oliver. Do you like it? Do you like your train? Your big old shark. What about Wally? Do you want to show Wally your choo-choo? You gonna go get Wally? You show Wally your choo-choo? Your train? So you gonna watch over your train? What do you think? Are you a giant monster?
Okay, like I said, Christmas got behind us. We fell into watching movies and didn't really show as much, as well as anything else that day. We just relaxed, played with all of our toys and stuff. Hope you guys enjoy seeing all that stuff that we did. Our son opening up his choo-choo train and us enjoying our gifts. As for New Year's, like we said, we didn't really do anything. I unfortunately had to work. I came home. We spent the last hours of 2020 in our living room trying to find a countdown. That was fun. And yeah. But there wasn't that much there. So sorry there wasn't no really much videos, let alone pictures at all. We just enjoyed the day of relaxing. And as for announcement for 2021, we are going to take a little break. We're actually going to sit back with everything after the holiday season. Stuff picks up for us at work. So we're going to be coming back shortly soon, sometime around February, latest around Valentine's Day. But we're going to be bringing you a lot of content that we're able to do in between and get out. So it's going to be from possible puzzles to maybe a couple cooking videos to maybe hopefully going somewhere if we can during this wonderful COVID pandemic. But yeah. So I hope you guys like everything we've done this past year for 2020. I know we had a lot planned going and stuff got canceled and trips got canceled and just gatherings got canceled and period. So we're able to do what we can, from puzzles to small little cooking videos to collections of our stuff. So we're going to go ahead and, like I said, we're going to take a break. We're going to be back soon. So, if you want to go ahead and rewatch a bunch of our old stuff, from our puzzle collection to my pin collection, my wife's mug collection, her ability to show what DisneyBounding is at Disney World is available is there. We'll put the links in the description below, as well as cooking videos as our one of our last Disney trips we did last November, when there was still a Maritime Christmas Parade and everything else like that. So with that being said, this will be the end of the video right here. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little announcement along what we did for the holidays. And we'll see you guys at our next adventure sometime around February. Bye.